Hello friends, today's topic pre and post elections, which sectors appreciated how much? I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. The rally in our markets continued today too. In spite of weak global cues from US and Asia, our markets were still positive. This is because of the positive momentum due to the BJP victory in state elections. On an average, in the last 5 general elections in the previous 6 months, Nifty has gone up by around 15.68%, and after the election results, on an average, it has gone up by 17.28%. This is mainly because investors expect continuity in the policy and developmental projects. Different sectors perform in different ways before a general election. We have compiled the details of sector performance 6 months pre-elections. Sector performance 6 months pre-elections. Automobile 2004 elections minus 3, 2009 52%, 2014 20, 2019 minus 8, average 15.25. Banking 2004 30, 2009 16, 2014 31, 2019 17, average 23.5. Cement in infrastructure 2004 9, 2009 22, 2014 21, 2019 3, average 13.75. FMCG 2004 minus 8, 2009 7, 2014 10, 2019 4, average 3.25. Going further to the IT sector, 2004 plus 3, 2009 18, 2014 6, 2019 15, average 10.5. Energy 2004 18, 2009 37, 2014 21, 2019 15, average 22.75. Metals performance 6 months pre-election 2004 minus 30, 2009 62, 2014 15, 2019 minus 11, average 9. Now coming to pharma sector, 2004 plus 7, 2009 plus 4, 2014 plus 5, 2019 minus 9, average 1.5%. IIFL research has also calculated the yearly returns of the Sensex after election. This will be giving an idea how the next 5 years may be after union elections in 2024. Yearly returns of Sensex after union elections. October 1999, first year minus 11, second year minus 33, third year plus 7, fourth year 55, fifth year plus 22. May 2004 elections, first year 21%, second year 93%, third year 11%, fourth year 21%, fifth year minus 29%. May 2009 elections, first year 43%, second year plus 9, third year minus 12, fourth year plus 21, fifth year plus 20. May 2014 election, first year 14, second year Sensex gone down by 5, third year plus 17, fourth year plus 18, fifth year 7%. May 2019 elections, first year Sensex came down by minus 23%, second year 65% went up, third year 6% plus, fourth year 17%, and fifth year 9% up to now. Average first year 8.8, second year 25.8, third year 5.8, fourth year 26.4, fifth year 5.8. This is the research data. My suggestion, all Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates who understand what we are speaking, please make a note and keep invested in these times. Otherwise, you may lose the power of compounding in the future if you sell in between due to impatience. So, in the 5 year after elections, historical records show that the second and the fourth year are the best of the stock markets. First, third and fifth have relatively given lower returns to investors. Now recording on a sheet of paper for you. First year after these elections, May 2024 to April 2025. You can make a note in the calendar or a diary. Second year, May 2025 to April 2026. Maximum appreciation will be there. Third year, May 2026 to April 2027. And fourth year, again one more big appreciation expected. May 2027 to April 2028. And the fifth year, May 2028 to April 2029. So we need to watch out if a similar trend in stock market returns continues in the next 5 years too. Following 2 years may be the best for shareholders as per the previous statistics. Second year, May 2025, April 2026, and fourth year, May 2027, April 2028. At the end of the video, here is a question. BJP has a self-made rule of politicians retiring at the age of 75. PM Modi is currently 73 years old. Do you think he should follow the retirement rule? Yes or no? You may type. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharat Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.